So let's start by loosening up the lug nuts. And I'll be jacking up the vehicle from the front cross member. Don't forget your jack stands. So right here is our broken stabilizer link. Let's grab the tools. Let's start with some PB Blaster. Now the first thing I want to do is just break these loose. So in this case, a hand wrench, 14 millimeter. See if we can get some room here. And then I have a 3-pound hammer just to break this loose. And then I have a ratcheting wrench, but take a look. As you can see, the body is rotating. Now this is completely normal. On the end of the stabilizer link is a fitting where you can fit a little adapter. In this case, it's a T30 adapter. And this will keep the link from rotating. Now I certainly prefer this revised version over the original. The original can be a little difficult to get off using that Allen key. With the revised version, you can hold it with a wrench. So you see with the revised link, I can simply grab my wrench, hold this in place, and look how close the bottom of the strut mount is. It's very, very close, so this makes it a lot easier. And there's just one more thing we need to do before we torque down these fasteners. So now I'm placing the floor jack under the front lower control arm. Now, when you do this, do not place it on the ball joint. But all that we're doing is simply applying load, and then we can torque down these fasteners. And if you want to torque them, typically they're around 22, 25 foot-pounds. In my case, I'll just make sure that it's nice and snug. And that's it. We're all set. Just place the wheel back on the vehicle, take it for a test drive. And as always, thank you for watching.